Hello guys, this is Dinesh. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to complete the Haust network testnet text quest in the Interact. So many people are confused about this task. So let me help you to complete this task very easily. So first, what we have to do is get the faucet from their official faucet site, and then you need to have at least 0.2 WETH token. So how can you get the WETH token first? So go to the Haust bridge. So here you need to get the Sepolia faucet for this. So make sure you have enough Sepolia ETH and then connect your MetaMask wallet. So connect your wallet and then here choose the Sepolia testnet. In the below you have to choose Ethereum. So choose any amount like above 0.3 ETH. Like I am going to use around 0.2 or 1 because I already have enough ETH in the Haust network. So I am going to bridge it. So 0.1 ETH to Haust network wrapped ETH. I already have 0.14. This is sufficient for me, but I'm going to bridge little bit. So click continue and then click bridge. You will get a pop-up. Just confirm the transaction. Sign in. Okay, see, this bridge transaction may take around 1 or 2 days because so many traffic in their network, so they're getting little delay. So wait for 1 or 2 days, and then once you got the WETH in your host network, you need to before we swap 100 USDT for WETH, first we need to get USDT. So this is really hard to get because we don't have enough WETH in our wallet. So we have bridged just now. So once you got the WETH token, you don't have to swap it for USDT and then swap it back to WETH because you will get more slippage issue. So what you have to do is first go to their lending website. So this site launched yesterday only. So what you need to do here is once you got the WETH from the Sepolia, you going to connect your wallet here. Connect the MetaMask wallet. Don't connect any wallet because only in the MetaMask wallet you can able to adjust the gas fee. Okay, so connect the MetaMask wallet and then come here you need to supply 0.14 ETH. So I have 0.14. If you have 0.3 or 0.4, no issues, you can just click max and um, supply it. Okay, I'm going to click max and then so sorry, we need to switch the network, right? Okay, okay, click max and then enter amount, supply WETH. Sorry, first approve the transaction. See here we need to adjust the gas fee. Click this, change it 115. Click save, confirm. Don't approve the transaction without adjusting the gas fee. You are wasting your host faucet because I already did this mistake. So that's why I'm telling you. And then click supply WETH. Okay, click the edit, choose 115, save. Okay, completed. So next we are going to borrow USDT or USDC. So here in the bottom you can see that available borrow balance here. So I got around 100 USDT available. So I have already borrowed it. So you can check if in case if you're facing any error that you are not getting enough borrow, you can just keep refresh the on the left side you can see just keep refresh the site and disconnect your wallet and connect it and try again because we already have supplied around $269 worth of WETH. So at least we should have get around $100 to $150 worth of token. So right now I am getting that issue that here it shows only like $0.6 available, but in the USDC it's showing $49 something. So we can it may be very different depends on how much we have supplied. So we can borrow this one and then we need to swap USDC to USDT. So if you are facing the issue, just try this. Okay, but anyway you can get around $100 to $150 worth of any token in this list. So if you got around 50 USDT, $50 worth of WETH, you can just go to the DEX. Okay, here what you have to do is don't connect your Coinbase wallet, just connect your Zerion wallet. I have already given the link in my Telegram channel. Go to my channel and download the Zerion wallet app in your mobile. Okay, don't install the Zerion extension. Guys, once you installed the Zerion wallet in your mobile, import your MetaMask wallet in the Zerion wallet, and then go to the search on sign, which is on the bottom of the wallet. Click this, and you're going to search chainlist.org. Chainlist.org. Go to this link and connect your Zerion wallet. Here, click include testnet and search HAUST. The second one, which is ending 3251, click add to Zerion. Network has added. So, and then once you added the network in the Zerion wallet, go to the text and click connect wallet. Here you can see Coinbase and wallet connect. Choose the wallet connect. It will give you QR code. Just scan this QR code from your Zerion wallet. You can see that scanner option in the wallet right side, top of the right side. Okay, just scan it. Once you scan, you will get a pop-up and confirm the sign. That's it, guys. After you making transaction, you will get pop-up inside the Zerion wallet. So confirm the transaction. Before confirm the transaction, edit the gas fee. Okay, keep this in mind. So after you connected your Zerion wallet, you have to complete the transaction. So I had already told you, once you have supplied the WETH, you will get enough USDT from the borrow section. So once you borrowed it, you are going to swap it to the WETH, because this is the task we are need to complete. Exchange 100 USDT for WETH token. So just go here, just 105 USDT for WETH. Okay, click review and then approve and swap. Okay, you don't need to swap it, because we just going to take screenshot. Okay, click verify. That's it. So exchange 100 USDT for WETH token as completed. Okay. So and the next one is create USDT host. So we already have enough USDT. Go to the pool here, click create portion, select the host and select the USDT. Like 1 USDT means it will ask you to add 0.07 host token. So that's it. Click preview and then add it. Once you add it, you will see that like this. Okay, take the screenshot and then upload it in here. Okay, I have completed this already. So just upload it and complete this task. That's it. It will be reviewed by the team in 1 day, I guess. So that's it, guys. So we have completed the testnet explorer task. We are going to complete the second quest. Okay, this is the lending quest. We have already completed enough task for this quest, because we already supplied it, we have borrowed it, and then the last one is we need to achieve the health factor. So how do we complete this? These are all we have done it already. You just go to the site and take screenshot and upload it. So but we need to complete the health quest, health factor. So how do we get this? Like we need to achieve 1.5. So go to the lending. We already have 1.7. So we need to borrow more, then only the health factor will get reduced. So go to the borrow here, 15, 18, 19. Okay, I got 1.5. Just click enter amount, click borrow USDC, and then edit the gas fee, just 10. So just edit the gas fee 10, confirm the transaction. Okay, that's it. Completed. Here I got 1.5. I'm going to take screenshot. That's it. So I have submitted all the tasks. This is you can submit the bug. If you're facing any bug, you can click it. It's not a mandatory task. It's just optional only. Just click the link and click verify. It will be verified. Here you can paste your MetaMask wallet address and your Discord name and the time of the bug you're facing and the time, and then platform environment, like are you facing the bug in your mobile or desktop or tab. So and then your OS and then your browser version. So product with the issue, block all the things you need to fetch here and then click submit. If the team found it useful, they will be, maybe there will be a reward in future, I don't know. So that's it, guys. Don't miss this Haust network, and don't forget to use the Zerion app. So I have given all the link in my Telegram channel. Go to my channel and get all the links and all the quiz answers over there. So that's it, guys. See you on next video. Thanks for watching.